Hello out there, my fellow runners and photographers. This is for you. I really have been looking for years now for a device that I can go running with my GoPro and still get good quality photos. One of the major things starting with the GoPro 3 was that obviously lots of the photos came out blurry. As they improved over the years with the quality of the camera, you were able to take somewhat decent photos. And then starting with the 6, the stabilization was okay. And then finally we got the, as GoPro refers to it, the gimbal-less action camera. Now, with that knowledge, I've been taking for the last year fantastic photos while running, especially in great sunlight areas. You can't beat it as a camera to accompany you on runs. If you want to stop, take a photo, etc., is always there. So, with that said and done, I've always been looking for something that would maybe do two things. Allow me a little extra stabilization while running instead of stopping to take the photo or slowing down to take the photo. And then the second one was to allow my hands to be free. Switching back and forth between the left hand and the right hand with the camera as it begins to, get a bit sweaty in the palms on those hot, humid summer days. And it was just one of those things where it was like, if only there was another way. Lo and behold, I finally decided, let me try out the official GoPro accessory for the wrist and or back of the hand mounting system, which is this device right here. Now, here are the few things that I've seen which I'm loving already, and I've only been on 2 runs with it to date. The first is it's very comfortable. It's attached through Velcro, and Velcro, so it will fit your hands, and it will also fit over gloves, which is great, especially during winter runs. That's the number one thing that I found. Number 2, running for miles, and it just feels great. It doesn't feel like it's a burden on your hand, it doesn't feel like it's a burden on your arm. All I've done so far with both runs to date is switch up which side I mount it on each run. Now, next thing I learned, being a right-hander, I first put it on my right hand for the first run. And it was working great, especially in conjunction with just telling the GoPro to take the photo or the video for you. It allowed you just to keep running and just verbally get what you were trying to get. However, obviously, if you don't slow down a bit, you still may get a bit of a blurry photo. Then I switched over to my left hand, and that's when I realized you really can take crisp photos while running at a decent speed just by doing 2 things. 1, hold the camera to your chest. This right off the bat is giving you even more stabilization. 2, you could twist the camera at any given moment to get the exact level of photo you're looking for based on horizons, based on maybe you want to switch it up for some sort of social media like Instagram stories. You can turn it now sideways and you're good to go. And then the third is in the horizontal position, on top of all of this as a stabilization, then you take your other hand over here, you're going to use your thumb to press the button instead of telling it what to do, and you now have stabilization in 3 ways. Your arms against your chest and the built-in stabilization with the Hero 7. So I am really recommending this to everyone out there who likes to run and take photos at the same time. The other fun thing that I've learned so far is that on top of all of this, you get some really cool images and some interesting angles if you tilt it around. Sometimes show your hand a little into the photo, because as the lens is pointing down at your fingers, you're going to get some very interesting photos that you may not normally have gotten without, holding it against the back of your hand. So again, the 3 reasons why I love it is it's comfortable. It allows you to mount it in any way, shape, or form that you want for your run or how things change during your run. And then the last thing is the extra stabilization you can get out of it. So even from a non-running standpoint, I can see how this would be great on a hike. You're taking your time, you're not really running, But now you could have a free hand. You'll be able to, if you use a hiking stick, boom, you're good to go. I can't see where this will ever be an issue on the back of your hand, other than if you're not paying attention, you can easily bang this into things. But highly recommend that GoPro $5 a month plus membership. If anything happens to the camera while you're out there, boom, they'll replace it for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna definitely throw more information out there as I learn as we go. I've already gotten, as I said, only 2 runs under my belt using it, and we'll see where this takes us. Have a great day, and don't forget to take photos while running.